Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 4, Day 2. Listen carefully as I say 3 words. Fly, high, kite. All of these words have the I sound. Listen carefully as I say 3 more words. Tell me which sound is the same in all of them. Bike, tie, fry. I, sold, mow, tow. O, find, shy, night. I, stop, lock, not. Ah, seed, teen, bee. E, cry, Y, right. I. Okay, friends, so remember we're working on I sounds, and it says I. 3, 2, 1, find. I. 3, 2, 1, cry. 3, 2, 1, high. This is I, IGH. 3, 2, 1, right. 3, 2, 1, fly. 3, 2, 1, light. 3, 2, 1, tie. 3, 2, 1, buy. 3, 2, 1, sigh. 3, 2, 1, kind. So once more, we are looking at the 5 card, and the 5 card has I as in wild, I as in try, I as in right, and I as in tie. And remember, IE can say I or E or I, and today it's saying I. Okay, here we go. P, I. Word, pie. Your turn. Word, kind. Together, B, I. Word, buy. Your turn. Word, tight. Okay, here we go. Let's do the first line together. H, I. Word, high. F, Ind. Word, find. Ind. Word, mind. Your turn. Word, high. Remember IGH, even though it's really tricky, that all says I. Okay, together, together, I-t. Word, light. Your turn. Word, Y. Together, I-t. Word, might. Your turn. Word, bright. T, I. Word, tie. Your turn. Word, cried. Together, I. Word, lie. Your turn. Word, dried. Okay, here we go. Let's read this together. Remember, this is I, it's not I. If I read it with an I, it'd be bind, but that's not a word, so it's bind. Change the B to F, find. Change the F to W, wind. Change the W to K, kind. Change the K to gr, grind. Change the gr to bull, blind. Change the bull to mind. Change the and to t. Oh, that's a tricky one. It's not mit, it's might. Change the to sight. Change the s to fight. Change the f to fur, fright. Change the fur to full, flight. Change the full to soul, slight. Change the soul to sight. And then get rid of the t, cover it up with your hand. Sigh. Change the s to shy. Change the sh to sky. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Now please remember AU says ah. And then I don't know why this says caught. I don't know why GH doesn't say anything. Okay, here we go 5 times. Caught, 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 caught. He caught a big fish. EW says ooh. Flew, 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 flew. The plane flew high in the sky. No, 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 no. And this is like I know or I understand. Do you know my name? So you just don't look at the first two, the first and last letter. Laugh, 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 laugh. The joke made me laugh. Ah, I don't know why that says ah instead of ah. Listen, 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 listen. Listen to this song. Okay, this one's a little tricky. Were. We were cold at night. This is where, and this is were. Okay, so they are different. Okay, let's read this together. Friday night fun. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1 was. 3, 2, 1 hour. 3, 2, 1 for. 3, 2, 1 said. 3, 2, 1 again. 3, 2, 1 do. 3, 2, 1 you. 3, 2, 1 what. Okay. So we have, let's read this first part together. Friday night fun. Okay, so let's go over here. I see Friday night, bright, white, high, sky, I, might, Friday night, time. Wow, look at all those I sounds. Okay, we'll do the first page together. Ready? Begin. It was Friday night. A bright, white moon sat up high in the sky. My pals and I ran with all our might. Friday night is time for fun. Ooh, look what they're doing. They're going to go on rides, huh? I see rides, try, ride, tie. That's a name. I, like, kind, ride, high, highest, ride, cried. I cried. Okay, here we go together. Look at those rides. Let's try and ride them all. Ty yelled. I like the kind of ride that sends me up high. Let's take the highest ride, I cried. Okay, fly, ride, high, find, high. Okay, here we go. Let's fly on this ride, yelled Tom. We got tickets and went high. Let's try to find Mom, I said when we finished. Hi, Mom. Okay. Time. I liked, lights, liked, and rides. Okay, so here we go together. It is late. Mom tells us it is time to go home. My pals and I liked the lights. We liked the big rides. Whoops. Okay. I, bright lights. I. Okay, together. The next night we went out again. I have a plan, said Mom. Will we see bright lights? I asked. Yes, Mom said. Okay. Like, bright lights, mics, ice, mics. Okay, here we go. Do you like these bright lights in Mike's ice cream shop? Mom asked. Yes, we exclaim. Mike's is the best place. Okay, let's see. I spy Linus, night, rides, night, ice, Linus, nicest, kind, night. Lot of eyes. Okay, here we go. Then what did I spy? A big cat named Linus came by. A night with rides is fun, but a night with ice cream, pals, and Linus is the nicest kind of night. Very nice. Okay, so we are talking about words that end in Y and how they change. So you'll see the word cry, and there are, if it's happening right now, we can cross off the I, we can cross off the Y, put an I, and ES. This is cries. And then if we want it to be in the past, we cross off the Y, put an I, and put ED, cried. Okay, another thing we do is cry goes to crying. Now this is the only one that doesn't change to the I, and the reason I think that is because if I change the Y to I have two I's. So we have to keep the Y there. So there's not two Y's. Okay, so let's look at what this means. Let me put this up here. So the first one we'll do is the first, we have fry, try, dry, and spy. If I'm doing it right now, I'd say frying, we don't change the Y. Trying, don't change the Y. Drying, and spying. Okay, when we add the ing, the Y doesn't change. Okay, the next two, the Y is going to change. So if I want fries, like he fries, cross off the Y, put I-E-S, fries. Tries, cross off the Y, I-E-S, tries. Cross off the Y, I-E-S, dries. And then spies, cross off the Y, I-E-S, spies. Okay. Let me go to the past now, ED. Now if I want it to be in the past, I still have to change my Y. So cross off the Y, add I-E-D, fried. Cross off the Y, I-E-D. Tried. Cross off the Y, I-E-D, dried. Last, cross off the Y, I-E-D, spied. Okay, so let's look at our next thing. So we are talking this week about see and saw. These are words that tell, see and saw tell about something you see. You use see to talk about something that is happening right now, and we also use sees. So I see, he sees. We also use saw when talking about something, seeing something in the past. So, I see fish now. I'm seeing them right this minute, see. But then if I'm talking about Jack, I'd say Jack sees the dogs. I wouldn't say Jack see the dogs. Okay, so when I say I, you, we, they, I say see. I see, you see, we see, they see. When I'm talking about a name or he or she, he sees, she sees, Jack sees. Okay? And then if it's in the past, we say saw. I saw bees yesterday. And you would say you saw, we saw, they saw, he saw, she saw. So we use saw with all of those for the past. But for the present, some of them are see and some of them are sees. Okay, bye everyone. I'll talk to you tomorrow.